Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to share videos on X without retweeting them, so the post appears like a normal tweet. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone and find the video you want to share. Now, tap on the share icon below the post and select Copy Link. Next, open a text editing app like Notes and paste the copied link there. Now, look for the question mark in the URL and delete everything after it. After that, add /video/1 at the end of the link. Your final link should look something like this: original link /video/1. Now, copy the modified link. Next, go back to the X app and tap on the post button in the bottom right corner. Paste the edited link into your post. You can also add your own caption or comment if you want. Finally, tap Post. The video will now appear as a normal post instead of a retweet or repost. And that's it. That's how you can share X or Twitter videos without retweeting them. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more X app tips, Twitter tricks, and social media tutorials.